Khusrau Betia, IJBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss array in PHP. So what is array? Array is a special type of variable that can contain many variables and hold them in a list. For example, let's say we want to create a list of all the odd numbers between 1 and 10. Once we create the list, we can assign new variables that will refer to a variable in the array using the index of the variable. To use the first variable in the list, in this case the number 1, we will need to give the first index, which is 0, since PHP uses 0 based indices like almost all programming languages today. That means array of PHP is not different from other programming language. It is also the base index is 0, and it is the similar type of variables can it hold. So here is the code of some uh, odd number. The odd number is 13579, and you want to print the first odd number. So you write it, first odd number is equal to odd number index 0, and the second odd number is your odd number 1. Echo keyword is used to print something in PHP. So I have written echo, the first odd number is a first odd number. So this is the way to print something in PHP. We can now add new variables using an index. To add an item to the end of the list, we can assign the array with the index 5. That means the sixth variable. That means if I have some collection of variables and we want to add some extra variables, then the index value assign that variable. So I have add up 11 in the given variable. So this is the code for adding some extra variable. So odd number is equal to, as we have given earlier, 13579, but now the external odd number is 11, so I have to give the index, it is a fifth, because the above variables is start with the 0 indices, so the next index is 5, which can hold the value of 11. So print are odd numbers. Array can contain different types of variable according to your needs and can even contain other arrays or objects as members. To delete an item from an array, use the unset function on the member itself. For example, odd number 13579 and unset odd number 2. That means the value of index 2 will be deleted, which is third item, your 5 from the list is deleted, and print r is odd numbers. So some useful function is in array. The count function returns the number of members an array has. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and echo count odd numbers. The reset function gets the first members of the array. It also reset the internal iteration pointer. So odd number 13579 and the first item is reset odd numbers. It means it print the first item of the array. So we have to write echo first item. We can also use the index syntax to get the first member of the array as follows. That means it's alternative choice we have to print the first odd number. of the list. The AND function gets the last member of the array is odd number 1 3 5 7 9, last item and odd number, and echo is the last item. We can also use the count function to get the number of elements in the list and then use it to refer to the last variables in the array. Note that we subtract 1 from the last index because indices are 0 based in PHP. So we need to fix the fact that we couldn't count variables numbers 0. So odd number is equal to 1 3 5 7 9, and last index is count odd number -1, and last item odd numbers last index. So echo last item is the stack and queue function of array. Array can be used as stack and queue as well. To push a member to the end of an array, use the array push function. So here's the code how to implement the array push function. So number is given here 1 2 3 in array list, and array push numbers 4. You want to add the other number, you have to write array push and that particular number, and print the new array is print r and numbers, and it will give the value 1 2 3 4. To pop a member from the end of an array, use the array pop function. That means pop means the deleted the value from the list. So here is the number 1 2 3 4 5, and array pop function is used to remove the numbers. So array pop numbers. Now array is 1 2 3. Print the new arrays, print new numbers. To push a member to the beginning of an array, use the array on shift function. So